Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. It's the 4th of June. We promised to bring you the most accurate and the fastest results. We've already given you one seat of Surat that is already flashing on your screen. So don't think we are making any numbers up. This is the Surat seat for which certificates have already been given to the candidate of the BJP, Mukesh Dalal. Counting will begin in the next 60 minutes from now. Padmaja, you also said that maybe the postal ballots will open half an hour before that. Will we start getting those numbers before 8 o'clock or after 8 o'clock?
No, so soon after. So first we'll get the postal ballots. Now, in this itself was, dragged into controversy. In a list of 5 demands that was given to the Election Commission, the opposition said that we want all the postal ballots to first be finished, to be counted, and then the EVMs to be opened. So what happens is first half an hour, all the postal ballots or the postal ballot counting is started, and then the EVMs are also opened because the sheer number of the postal ballots has really grown over time. So the EC yesterday said, listen,
this is where actually I need to just come in a bit because there's been a huge fight over this. Navika, I just want to come in on this. I just want to come in on this. You know, what's happened is that that's always been the case, that postal ballots have been opened. Now, since 2019, that was pretty much the case. That was the last Lok Sabha election where that happened. Since then, the Election Commission has altered its rules, and that's why you're seeing a big fight happening. In the subsequent assembly elections, it's not been the postal ballots that have been opened first off. What the opposition is essentially saying is that we want the old system as far as Lok Sabha elections are concerned. This is pretty much in line with what they've been saying when it comes to ballot papers or agents, so on and so forth. But they are saying this time around, we want to revert to the old system, to which the Election Commission has yesterday clarified why they are doing what they're doing. So this time around, perhaps you're going to see a slightly different system. Will the Election Commission have any further surprises for us? We don't know. But that's as far as what the system is.
Please don't say that early in the morning, Madhav Das Gopalakrishnan. There'll be a dharna outside Election Commission. But let's
4 जून 2024 ये तारीख भारत का भविष्य तय करने जा रही है।
4 जून नरेंद्र मोदी हिंदुस्तान के प्रधानमंत्री नहीं रहेंगे।